Alright, I'm taking a video now. We have no power. We're in a flood. This is how it looks out our window. And let's just go over here. That is down our road. And I just hope it doesn't get in our house.
We don't even want to talk about the garage.
Oh yes, the garage is flooded. Let's see down there. See if I can zoom. It's all the way in people's houses. Yep. Coming up the driveway. Fun day! Addison can't take it no more. She's a tired girl. Let's see what she's doing. She's asleep. She's asleep. Sucking her thumb. Alright, say bye.